Nothing is more critical to providing safe drinking water than the pipelines that deliver the product to our customers. These pipelines are in constant need of repair and new installations. That job requires a keen awareness of trenching and excavation safety. 1 cubic yard of soil can weigh as much as 3,000 pounds, which is why serious injuries and even fatalities occur from cave-ins during trenching and excavations. The first step is identifying the type of soil you will be working with and determining the safest way to dig a trench or excavation. Accidents are usually preventable if workers follow the rules of safe trenching and excavating, which requires good planning. Before any digging takes place, all members of the project crew need to understand what they are likely to find underground: the location of valves, fittings, main and secondary lines, and other utilities. They should also anticipate hazardous underground atmospheres, explosive, flammable, toxic, or oxygen-deficient atmospheres created by excavations. Monitors that sample and record oxygen, carbon monoxide, and lower explosive limits should be carried by workers on site. Air monitoring must be conducted if these conditions have the potential to occur. Other utilities need to be notified so they can identify and mark their pipelines, cables, and other underground utilities. Always call before you dig to make sure telephone, cable, gas, sewer lines, and other utilities are not in the way. Water utility workers should also consider above-ground hazards such as power and telephone lines, poles, or trees excavation equipment might come in contact with. Planning includes making sure safety crews have the proper traffic control warning signs, barriers, and flag persons to safely guide the public around the project. Keeping traffic at a safe distance from the dig not only prevents vehicles from driving into the excavation area, but also minimizes the vibration on trench walls. Crew members should wear high-visibility clothing as part of their personal protective equipment. Be sure and notify the public of work in the area, especially if any part of the work is on private property. At least one person at the excavation worksite must meet OSHA's Competent Person Standard. A competent person is capable of identifying existing and predictable hazards in the surrounding or working conditions which are unsanitary, hazardous, or dangerous to employees, and who has authorization to take prompt corrective measures to eliminate them.